Hey guys, this is a tutorial on the Cherry TV on the Q11 Android TV box. So when you first go into or turn on the box, it'll bring you to this screen, which is the home screen. We'll go to the bottom here where settings is, connect your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet cable. Network, internet, whatever your Wi-Fi thing is, put in your password. It'll connect, go back again. This is the app right here, Cherry TV. We'll push OK on it. If you have a subscription already, it'll just load right into it, which I do, so it's going to load right in. But if you don't, it'll bring you to a connection screen where you will do your stuff. So this will be the actual screen that it will load in for you right here. The connections, which is wet, add portal, add extreme, add M3U playlist. For mine, I'm using add portal. Looks like this. You put in whatever you want for your portal nickname. The URL is whatever your subscriber or your provider gives you. And then if it needs a login, you would hit the check mark here, put in your ID, your password. If it doesn't, then don't do the login. There's your MAC address there. Then you would just go to connect. It'll go to whatever channel you're last on, if anything. So this is the live TV section. When you're on here, if you push up, it'll bring your channel group that you're in. Right now I'm in all, so it's literally all the channels I have on my list. If you push left from here, you'll get your channel groups, which is English Canada, sports, kids, movies, TV series, sports package channels, pay-per-view, so on and so on, a whole bunch of sports, different countries. You can just go to whatever you want. I'm just going to go to, let's just use sports. English sports is one. Winter Olympics. Yeah, we'll just go down to right about here. Basketball game. Boom, click on it, it'll go. Some of the functions from the live TV section that you can do, which is very helpful, is favoriting channels. So when you're trying to favorite a channel, you have to make sure that you have your list up showing like this on the side. So I'm going to favorite TSN2 by pushing the blue square button, which is right here. It'll put a star next to the channel. You can go to multiple channels and do the same thing. So I'll just do, let's go MLB Network 4K, push the square button again, and put a star there again. Now I'm going to hit the back button or exit. I'm going to hit the favorite button, which is going to give me my favorites list here, which is, see, as you can see, TSN2, MLB Network. Now, if you want to get rid of these favorites out of your favorite section, these channels are the favorites, you can just push the blue button again on the channel. It'll take away the star. I'll do it to this one as well. Takes away the star. Now it's gone. Just to make sure that it's gone, I'll hit my favorite button again, and it's no longer there at the bottom. But your favorite, to go to your favorites, you would actually hit this button here. It says favorite and a star, and it'll bring your favorite channels up. Now for another function like the search, make sure that if you are searching for a channel that you're in the right group. So right now I'm in English sports, so it's literally just going to search the English sports section, but I'm going to go to all. Choose a channel in the all. And now to search, you just make sure you have your channel listing up. Push the green square button, which is this one here. Type in what you want, or go up to the microphone here. If you have everything set up properly, your microphone will work. Push OK and then talk into the controller. Batman. Hopefully it reads what or types what you're saying. Push OK. It'll bring up all the Batman channels because I searched up Batman. And then you just click on one and it'll just pop up. Now also for you with this controller, this button here, which is called the last button, it'll go to your previous channel that you were just watching. I'll just go to a different channel right now, Soccer 1 here, whatever that is. And then I'm going to hit this button here, which is the last button. It brings me right back to the Sports 4K. which is what I was watching last. If you push it again, it'll bring you back to One Soccer. Now, if you have nothing, make sure you have nothing on the screen. This is how you go to the VOD section. Oh, before I even get to that, let's talk about how to lock and unlock channels in the live TV section. There's a yellow square button, which is this one right here. Let's go to Sportsnet East 4K. I'm going to make sure that my channel list is up. I'm going to hit the yellow square. It's going to lock the channel. Now you see a lock on the channel there. If you push it again, it'll get rid of the lock. But you have to put in the pin. Default pin for this is 0000. And then you see there that the pin, the lock is gone now. We'll test this one more time on, let's see, men's college wrestling. Sure. Make sure that you have your channel list up. Hit the square button. It will just lock. It'll lock without a pin, but to unlock it, you will need a pin. So I'll go to a different channel. And then let's just go back to that channel that is locked, ACC Network 4K, and it won't even let me go to it. So then I have to put the pin 000, and now it's unlocked and it'll go to the channel. So the parental code works on anything that's locked, adult channels, any adult content, or anything that you lock, you need the pin. You can also change your pin by going into the settings and changing the parental pin. Just remember that your default code is 000 unless you're told otherwise from your provider. Now from here, we're going to go to the VOD section. There's two ways to go about it. The hard way or the longer way would be hitting the 3-line button, which is this one here, and then just going to VOD. The other way is to just make sure there's nothing on the screen like this, and that it's just live TV, no info on the screen. Push this green square button and it will bring you to the VOD section. And now that we're in the VOD section, we will go through some of the features and ways to work around the VOD. First of all, let's go back again. First of all, we'll just go to all. Doesn't matter where you are on this screen. You can be here where I'm on cops or at the end here. If you go all the way to the left, you will bring back up your categories. So English TV shows, Netflix, whatever, Crave, latest English movies. It categorizes it better. So let's just get rid of all the movies, go to English TV shows. This is only going to show you TV shows only. Not every server is the same, but this is how this one works. We'll just go to a random show. Let's say this one here. Push OK. I'm going to choose an episode. I have 2 seasons showing here, so I'm going to just do season 4. And then, I don't know, episode 14. We're just going to play that. It should just play. Oh, it looks beautiful. Look at that lakefront view. And now from here, if you want to exit this, you just hit the exit button, which is this button here, back button, exit, same button. Do I want to stop playback? Yes, I do, so okay. When you're here, you just hit the back button and it'll bring you back to the front. Same thing for movies, so I'm just going to go to English movies here. And just click a random one here, just hit watch. It should just play. There we go. To fast forward, you can just use the right left button, just hold it and it'll just do this. Let go and it'll play. If you want the info to disappear, hit that back button one time. So that's that. We'll exit this movie, hit the exit, okay. Exit again, bring you back here. One thing about this section, you can also favorite movies and TV shows. So it's a little bit different on this end. Let's just use this one here, this movie. We'll hit OK. You see how it has a star here on the right. You just go to the star, push OK, and it'll highlight it, and now it's favorited. We'll just favorite a couple more movies here. Highlight the star. Now that's favorited. We'll just go all the way to the left, scroll to the top, and when you go to favorites, all your favorites will be in here that you favorited. So I favorited the grow pumpkin thing and whatever this show is here or movie. We'll do the same thing. To get rid of it, just click on the show, unhighlight the star, and then it will disappear. So we'll get out of there, go back, and it's gone. You also have a history where it just pretty much shows everything that you've watched so far. You can also clear this, but that's for another tutorial. It also works for English TV shows or TV shows as well. You just go to the show and just highlight the star. Okay. Now that we've done that, to search a movie or TV show, the best thing to do is just go to all. Make sure you're in the all section. Go to it and then go up to the magnifying glass in the top left corner. Push OK. OK again to bring up the keyboard. You can either type it in or just push OK on the microphone at the top. I'm going to use the same example that I always use. Batman. Reads it and it'll bring up everything Batman that's in this all section, which is everything. TV shows, cartoons, movies, like the list goes on. I know you can't really see it because I can't show you everything because I have to blur the stuff out, copyright infringement stuff, you know. But that's how you search that. And then to get out of this section, you would hit the back button and then it'll get out of the search, back onto all. That's how you search in this section. Now, when you're in the VOD section and you just want to go back to live TV, you can either hit the exit or back button. It'll bring you straight back. Or you can hit this red button here and it'll also do the same thing. Bring you back to live TV, the last channel you're on. That's where it's going to go. This channel's still locked. I'm just going to lock this real quick. There we go. Now, another feature with this box and service, if you have no info on the screen and you hit the blue square, it will actually bring up satellite radio and pretty much a whole bunch of radio stations from all over the world. Sirius XM, what are the other ones? I think mainly Sirius XM and not Spotify, but there's one more. I can't think of it right now, but there's one more. You would just push left or up and your channels will be there, or radio stations. There's 863 radio stations right now for this because mainly just English, but if you had all the other countries, it'll be a ridiculous amount. But you can favorite them by doing the exact same thing, going to the radio station that you like and then pushing the blue square button. So I'm just going to do, let's see here, something AM 1470 Fairchild radio. Hit the blue button, put the star next to it, and then I'll do 93.5 Flow Radio, blue button again. It's favorited. And now if you want to go to your favorites and whatnot, when you push up, you bring your channels up and then you push left and just go to favorites. And then boom, they'll be right there. So if you see right here, I did Flow Radio, 93.5 Flow, and AM 1470 Fairchild Radio. To unfavorite them, same thing. Go to it, push the blue button. It will get rid of the star, and then it will be out of your playlist or out of your favorite playlist. So we'll just go there to double check. And as you can see, it is gone. That is for the radio section there. Now we'll just jump back over to the live TV by pushing the red square button. Now that we're back on the live, a couple of things. I showed you how to search, but I forgot to show you how to use the EPG, which is your TV guide. You actually have a button for that. It literally says EPG on your controller, this button right here. When you push it, it'll give you pretty much your channels, the time and everything. You can scroll down and it'll give you all the channels. Right now I'm in sports, so it's showing me all the sports channels right now. You have to make sure you're in the right category because right now I think I'm in, my group is actually all. So let's see here. If you see it thinking, you just have to give it a little bit of time. It will pull up the information. Fox Sports never has information, so we'll just skip that. Oh, don't mind that sound. That's just my cat making some weird sounds. Like you can see here, she's tired. Do you know what? I'm going to show this feature as well. So this was at 6:30 p.m. It's actually 9:48 p.m. right now. If you can see in the top corner there, I'm just going to click OK on it. It will actually play what was being played at that time. So this is the, I guess you call it the DVR, backwards in time thing. It can go back usually like 3 days. It says 7, but like servers usually don't go that far anyways. They just, sometimes they do, but most times they don't. But that's one thing. So I'm watching something that was at whatever at 7:30. I'm gonna 6:30. I think I said. I'm just gonna fast forward a little bit to see what was on this. She's in the game. I don't know what that is. Oh, it must be swimming, sports swimming. But either way, that's how you do that. And to get out of this, hit the exit button. It'll say stop playback. Yes, and then it'll go back to what's actually live, which is not she's in the game, but wrestling something. So we'll just hit exit here, and it's still on the wrestling channel. But that's pretty much it for the tutorial. I hope this helps, and have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.